This 2024 Forest River Cherokee Black Label 235 MBBL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a SAGUARO interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.